there are two tissues in plants, and the one we're going to talk about today is xylem. Xylem carries out long-distance transport from root to stem to leaf and back down again. And the stuff it transports is water and minerals. Doesn't transport sugar. So the structure of xylem, it's pretty intuitive. It's long and thin, and it's hollow upon maturity, so that way water and minerals can actually travel up and down through it. And once you put the cells end to end, that's what actually makes up the whole xylem. So they travel the length of the plant. Now we're going to show you a cross section of the stem area. Green is going to be the ectotherm layer. Blue is going to be the ground tissue. And xylem, the stuff we're actually talking about, is the red. And that's generally along the center of the cross section, center of the stem, and the phloem surrounds it. Now we're going to talk about transpiration. And basically the rate that the xylem transports water and minerals depends on the rate of transpiration in the plant. So if photosynthesis isn't happening, neither is the transfer of water and minerals up and down the xylem. So I'm drawing for you guys water molecules, and the cool thing about them is that they get transferred up and down the xylem based on their hydrogen bonds and the cohesion and adhesion. So cohesion, sure you guys remember, water to water. Adhesion is from other cell to water. So once the stomata start carrying out photosynthesis and water starts evaporating from them, the rest of the molecules are literally pulled up through the xylem, which is how the water and minerals.
They're playing basketball
all around the world. To the beach, y'all. Let's go. All around the world. Y'all know this is so that.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about phloem. Phloem's involved in transport. It's a bunch of cells stacked right up against each other, and there's cell walls that allow two-way transportation. They transport amino acids, sugars, organic compounds, all that good stuff. So trees can do things like dance. Isn't nature amazing?
Come back to me.
Phloem's also involved with the structural support. Without it, when plants grew too tall and grew too heavy, they'd just fall over, and that wouldn't be good. Phloem transports nutrients from source to sink. This means it takes it from nutrient-rich areas like the leaves to nutrient-needing areas like the growing areas, those roots and the stems.